Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make any app font bigger on iPhone. First, you're going to go into Settings, then you're going to scroll down, and you're going to go into General, then select Accessibility, then you want to select Larger Text, then turn it on. Then at the bottom you simply want to drag the line. As you can see, a small a to a large A. You simply want to drag it to the size that you want, and you can see the size of the text changing on the screen. And when you find one that you're comfortable with, you simply close out of it. And in whichever app you're going to now, you will realize that the size of the font will change. For instance, you can see there, whichever app you should choose to go into right now, you'll see. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.